Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. This car's in great condition and it comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. There's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. There's air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done under 12,500 miles. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. If you think this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.